Sawubona mngani. Welcome back to Zulu Lessons with Thando, the place for modern conversational Zulu language lessons. Mngani, my name is Thando, the founder of this channel and the author of the Teach Yourself IsiZulu online course on my website, zululessons.com. If you are new here, I teach conversational Zulu language lessons that also school, university students, and their teachers and lecturers find very helpful. In this channel, you will find a lot of grammar lessons, stories, some lessons on our culture, AmaZulu, and some proverbs. Which brings me to the reason for this video. I have great news, Mngani. I have started a new YouTube channel that is to assist this channel. The new channel is called IsiZulu Simnandi, Stories and Songs for Kids. The channel will have children's stories, fairy tales, fables, which we call izinganekwane in IsiZulu. And as the title says, songs as well. I chose children's stories because they are ever so helpful when you are learning a new language. You want something that's small, bite-sized, something that is easy to follow, not heavy. And you will also find in there children's songs, some lullabies, some nursery rhymes, and old favorites, especially when we're talking about lullabies, like the one I have already put out there. It is Tula Tu, Tula Mdwana, Tula Tula. A lot of AmaZulu will know and recognize that one. We all would have heard our mothers, fathers, grandparents, and aunties and uncles singing them to us as children. And I still sing it to my children and my friends' children till today. I love that lullaby. But then, yes, I also took some English lullabies. You know those weird English lullabies that have some of the weirdest lyrics? Like that Rockabye Baby one, like, and down will come baby, cradle and all. And you're like, wait, Nitini, what are you saying? Like, yeah, I don't know why they have to be so hectic. But anyway, I translated them into IsiZulu and took out all the ugly bits that I just don't agree with. And then I put in my own words, used my own words. But I wanted those same lullabies that are already familiar. As you know, when you're teaching, you want to move from something that your student already knows to something that they don't know, so the unknown. And so we are doing that. We'll use those English lullabies and translate them into IsiZulu and also change them and make them more child-friendly, so that you also won't feel weird singing them to your kids. And, I am actually so very proud of myself with this channel. You are going to love it, Mngani, not just for yourself only, for your children too. If you are learning IsiZulu by yourself, trust me, your children will also now have an interest in learning IsiZulu right along with you. So I know you will love these songs and these stories. Then there are other songs that are traditional folk songs for kids that I have also worked on to put on that same channel. And there's more to come. I am so excited. I think I'm saying that for like the fifth time. But anyway, this will really help you so very much in your learning IsiZulu and acquiring new vocabulary. And here's the channel name, IsiZulu Simnandi. IsiZulu Simnandi. Please subscribe to the channel, watch the videos and learn. Oh yes, and IsiZulu Simnandi really just says IsiZulu as in the Zulu language. It's fun, it's enjoyable. Simnandi. So yes, definitely go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Additionally, when you sign up for my mailing list on my website, ZuluLessons.com, you will also receive the stories that I share on IsiZulu Simnandi and some comprehension questions and activities related to the story and song. And no, I'm not leaving this channel. I love this work so very much. I am not leaving this channel. The two will work together. Ngiyabonga mngani. Click here to take my course, to subscribe to this channel, and click here to listen and watch a story on IsiZulu Simnandi. Ngiyabonga mngani. Sala kahle.